Big House, Cuba. This house is located on a cliff west of Havana, surrounded by the sea. Despite having a large program size required, we had the intuition that the house should use itself to hide in the landscape and maintain the characteristic of an exciting old house. Its 15 by 15 meter perimeter, gabled roof and portal on all four sides. As it is weekend house with amazing view, it had to be completely open to the landscape to take advantage of its positions, and have the possibility of being closed once the users go back to the city. Two types of buildings guided us to develop this project. Some Aboriginal cabins from the west of Cuba, where the roof is also the room as everything else opens up, and the houses that are used to dry tobacco, where palm wood covers the whole area. While on the ground floor all the public area are concentrated, being an open space of 15 by 15 meter, without walls or columns. The main room hangs from the ceiling, and these of the guests are hiding underground illuminated by a long and narrow patio. The combinations of a portico without enclosures and two 15-meter long beams allows the house to only lean on its perimeter. This is how we achieved a sheltered house made of palm wood, which hides a large one made of glass and reinforced concrete.